This is how you get a bug down that's too high to reach with the NERF gun. See that bug there? Can't reach it. We're gonna NERF it down. We don't have a fly swatter. Okay, here we go. It's on the bottom of the 3, so the aiming's gonna be a little weird. But let's see if I can do it. Oh, so close. Round 2. Got it! Oh, dead on! Now I don't know where it went. The second part of this was supposed to catch it. Oh, there it is. Got it right there. Now I have to capture it with a cup and put it out into the wild. Well done, Brady. Well done. All right. I'll do the dirty work now.